Welcome to my channel Rooftop Botanist. This is Shunku and you are watching Rooftop Botanist. So this is the Java plant that I am growing, but there is a little problem in this flowering plant. So as you can see, this plant is actually very good in growth, but the leaves are actually a little bit crumpled because of the lot of water that is receiving from the rain. And there are actually problem is that there are actually ant infestation. As you can see there, black spots. These ants are actually laying eggs on the leaf, and the leaves are actually getting crumpled because of this reason. I don't know what is happening. Maybe you guys have some scientific reason behind it. Give me in the comment section below. Maybe I will be giving the solution or anything to the plant, then it will be helpful for this plant. So yeah, I don't know what is happening, but the plants are actually a little bit crumpled. As you can see, this black spot, black spot on the leaf. These things. Why it is happening, I have no idea. These black spots are not very good for the plant. If you guys, this you can see this big ant is there. If you guys have any solution to this problem, please give it to me. I'll be applying and saving this plant, because you can say these branches leaves are actually good, but if you can see these branches leaf is actually completely destroyed. No matter fertilizer, water or whatever I do, this is sunshine and this is not going away. This is a healthy leaf. You can see this is a healthy leaf size, and this is a crumpled leaf. I don't know what to do. These plants are actually normally grown in the field, normal height condition. I don't know what is missing. Fertilizer I am giving NPK 111, gypsum salt, Excel and mustard solution, but this I have not seen in the field condition below, but this is happening in this rooftop condition. Maybe the ants are heavily dependent on this plant right here right now, that's why it is not leaving this plant. But I don't know. Let me show you after 1 or 2 weeks, then we'll be getting a better conditional approach. Thank you for viewing and stay tuned for more. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.